Okay, I had to go back on my phone for a minute and talk to the previous owner. He wanted me to keep him up to date with like what's going on. I'm sure I'll send him these videos, but yeah, I let him know that this thing popped a head gasket. I think I want to pull the rest of the spark plugs just for shits and giggles. Just to, you know, we had a bit of a fun time with that last bit. Let's do something easy. Yeah, so oh, I left my light down. Damn it. Don't want this thing losing charge already. Rhino ramps make excellent step stools for those of you that didn't know that. For those of you that are short, but at the same time, like the car's jacked up, so. Someone's gonna make a short joke. Oh well. It is what it is. I can't grow anymore. It's just how it is, you know, boys. Me and my short brethren out there. Some of them are oily as hell. If I don't drop these ain't cheap. Yeah, they're oily as hell, as you can see. Like I said, valve cover gasket. Oh. Yeah, I didn't see that last time. There's that coolant on it. I did not see that last time, because we did pull these before to see how this stuff was, but I did not see that. You know, we put these back when you make them that tight, goddamn. It's wet, it's like coolant on it, yeah. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's wet. Here, let me get behind the camera so I can look. So I'm holding it up. I don't know if you can tell, but it is wet. And it's wet with coolant. Same with this one. See that coolant on there? So this side, at least this side blew a head gasket. Now we already know this thing blew a head gasket because of all of our previous findings. Wet too. But you know, we haven't opened up the engine, so we don't know which side. But it looks like at least this side. This one I think just has oil on it actually, but yeah, all wet. And they're saying, why are you pulling these out? You don't have to do that to pull the engine, I know, but I wanted to do something. We did a lot of harder stuff today, so I want to do something a little easy. If you're asking how this sticks on so easily, magnet. This one's wet too, but I can't really tell what it is. Looks like oil, but it could be a mix. Again, looks like a little bit could be mixed. Here, I'll show you guys. See, it kind of looks like oil, but it could be a mix. So these all really go in the garbage. I don't know why I'm holding on to them. Oh no, I dropped one. Let's see. We could go underneath and start undoing some stuff. I don't know why I didn't pull this to look. Oh. I don't remember pulling this last time. Maybe we should have done that. Man, it looks disgusting. Look. I just pulled this out, look. That's what it looks like. Yeah. We'll put that back for now. Just shove it right in there. Yeah. I think most of the stuff that we need to do is actually underneath now. Most of the, actually we could get these water lines off. I don't know if I want to do that right now. Spill all the coolant in the valley or what's in there. Probably not much, but never know. Oh, let's get them off. Fuck it. Something up top that we can do. Why? Even though you guys can't see me throw stuff into the trash, into the box over there, I haven't missed once. Just want to let you know. Not that it matters. Come on. Come on. There we go. I doubt these are going to come off easy, but we're going to give it a try. And I'm going to put this back before I lose it. I got a lot of nice organizer, well, nice organizer trays. I say they're nice because they keep me organized, so I'm not losing them. Oh god. No, I gotta be careful. I don't want to break the heater core. Breaking the heater core is the last thing I want to do, because this is part of the heater core right here. It means the entire dash has to come out. So if one of you knows what that's like, this part I just want to be careful and twist. Twist. Be careful. Okay. We're gonna get a pick. Okay, so I'm just put you up here and turn it around. Whatever. Not just a fly. Hopefully you guys aren't overheating. I think I got you in the shade. Come on, you bastard. How we doing? Still recording. Rubber is moving a little bit. There it goes. Nice. How about you? No? Okay, you need a little bit more persuasion then. Yeah? Maybe? No? Yes? Ow. I'm trying to twist it, and yes, I probably should remove the hood, but I'm trying to just try to twist it just a little bit. Get twist. Should come off. Let's go ahead with the pick again. Stay over there. Thing is, it goes easy. This pick goes in easy, like most of the way around, but it still don't want to move. It just wants to be that way. You know, it just wants to be that way. It's still like, come on now. There, I think I got most of it. Come on. Damn. This is one of the ones that really wants to stick, huh? You got separation anxiety, I guess. I get it. But at the same time, you need to come off. maybe a little smarter about it. Try this. This one really wanted to test my patience. I was like, yeah, let's do something easy. Nope. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Huh. Water nets are off. Yeah, everything else is underneath, I think. It's Sunday, it's like 5:30 or 6 or something. I don't fucking know. Thing is, what do I want to do? Do I want to leave it like this and get after it next weekend? Or I pull some more stuff off? Because this thing's got to sit here. Like, there's no. I doubt you can push it back in. Also, I'm using the garage now for storage for parts for this. So this thing's going to be sitting out here. I know what we could do. We could try and remove the mid pipe and break the bolts off. That's always fun. We could do that. Maybe. The only thing is, man, I can't really get you guys underneath because the tripod sits too tall. Maybe I'll look for another one that's a bit smaller. One of those ones almost like for a GoPro, but maybe that'll hold a phone. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here real quick and have a look under and see if I can adjust the camera. If not, then tell you guys about it later.